How to use AI to build passive income in 2025. Real tools, real examples. It's April 2025, and artificial intelligence has moved beyond novelty and experimentation. It's now a working engine behind real businesses, real revenue, and real freedom. Everywhere in the world, individuals with no technical background are building streams of passive income, and they're doing it faster and smarter than ever before, thanks to artificial intelligence. But let's be clear. Passive income doesn't mean zero effort. What it means is that the work is front-loaded. You build once, and then the system works for you, whether you're sleeping, traveling, or building something else. And AI is the ultimate multiplier. It turns hours into minutes, and solo creators into efficient teams. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to use AI tools to create multiple income streams. I'll show you real platforms, real strategies, and realistic results, all possible in 2025. Let's begin. First, one of the easiest and most accessible ways to generate passive income is by creating and selling digital products. These can include ebooks, printable planners, Notion templates, design kits, educational guides, and more. With AI, you don't need to be a writer, a designer, or a tech expert. You can use ChatGPT to generate the content. You can use Canva or Adobe Express to design the visuals. You can publish and sell your product on Etsy, Gumroad, or Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. The process that once took weeks now takes days, or even hours. Imagine creating a 30-page productivity planner with prompts and motivational quotes. You generate the structure in ChatGPT, build it in Canva, and upload it to Etsy. If your SEO is right, and your visuals are appealing, you can start generating sales within days. Some creators are earning hundreds or thousands of dollars per month from a single well-optimized product. Second, AI allows you to automate and scale content creation for platforms like YouTube, blogs, or newsletters. Let's take YouTube. You no longer need to be on camera. You can use ChatGPT to write the script. You can use Pictory or InVideo to turn that script into a video. Then you add AI-generated voiceovers using 11 Labs or PlayHT. And finally, you upload and optimize it for keywords. People are building entire faceless YouTube channels in niche topics like finance, productivity, travel facts, or book summaries, all with the help of AI. When those videos begin to get views, AdSense revenue kicks in. Add affiliate links to the description, and you've created multiple income streams from one video. The same model applies to blogs and newsletters. Tools like Surfer SEO and Neuron Writer help you create keyword-rich blog content that ranks on Google. Substack or Beehive lets you launch a free or paid email newsletter, built with AI assistance. Monetization can come from ads, sponsorships, or paid subscriptions. Third, affiliate marketing becomes dramatically easier and more scalable with AI. Instead of spending hours writing product reviews, comparison guides, and email sequences, you can use AI to do the heavy lifting. Let's say you're targeting the niche of remote work gear, standing desks, microphones, webcams, and monitors. You can prompt ChatGPT to generate comparison tables, pros and cons, product roundups, and even long-form reviews. With tools like Jasper or Copy.ai, you can polish and diversify the tone. Then you build a WordPress site, optimize it with rank math, and post content consistently. Once your site gains traction, affiliate commissions from Amazon, ShareASale, or individual SaaS companies begin to flow. Fourth, AI tools are entering the investment and finance space. Retail-friendly platforms now offer AI-enhanced portfolio management and trading automations. While this is not financial advice, and all investing carries risk, the fact remains, more people are using AI to structure passive investment income. Platforms like Composer, Stoic AI, and Signally allow you to create or follow algorithmic portfolios. Some focus on dividend income. Others use grid trading for crypto. Others rebalance long-term ETFs based on macro indicators. You can also build your own dashboards in Google Sheets, connected to ChatGPT via API or integrated into Notion, to track dividends, capital appreciation, and reinvestment logic. It's a hands-off way to stay in control while automating your cash flow engine. Fifth, and perhaps most creative, is licensing AI-generated intellectual property. For example, you create a Notion dashboard template using AI for structure and content. You license it on Gumroad. Someone else creates an AI-generated meditation soundtrack and sells it as background music for content creators. Others write courses with GPT-4, record them with AI voice, and sell them on Udemy or Teachable. AI allows you to create once, then license repeatedly, with no ongoing labor. That's the heart of scalable passive income. Now let's talk numbers. How much can you actually earn? For digital products like planners and templates, top sellers are generating between $300 and $3,000 per month per item, depending on SEO and reviews. Faceless YouTube channels can begin generating ad revenue at around 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Once monetized, a well-optimized channel can bring in anywhere from $500 to $2,000 per month, and more with affiliate links and sponsors. Affiliate websites, if targeted well, can reach $200 to $1,500 per month within 6 to 12 months. With scale, some cross the 5-figure monthly mark. AI investing tools vary widely. Some portfolios return 5 to 10% annually with moderate risk. More aggressive trading bots can deliver higher returns, but also carry higher volatility. Courses, templates, and AI-generated products, when paired with consistent promotion, can scale into serious revenue. But here's the catch. AI gives you leverage, but you still need vision, testing, and discipline. Don't expect overnight success. Instead, expect accelerated results when paired with smart strategy. Here's what I recommend. Pick one model. Maybe YouTube. Maybe Etsy. Maybe affiliate blogging. Focus on mastering one channel and one product or topic. Use AI to do the heavy work, but bring your own style, voice, and consistency. Then, once you have momentum, layer in a second stream. Over time, these streams build into an ecosystem. One audience, one skill set, many offers. That's modern digital wealth building. If this breakdown helped you, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. We release content like this every week, focused on AI, finance, and smart digital systems. Leave a like. Share it with someone who's ready to build something real. And remember, this is not about hype. It's about systems. Use them well, and your time starts working for you. Disclaimer. This video is for informational and educational purposes only. It does not constitute financial advice. Always do your own research and consult with certified professionals before making investment or business decisions.